My name is Viharaa Jayasinghe, and in this video I'll be discussing the question set 20 of DBMS question sets day 4. So let's see. Discussion is connected with the past 4 discussions, question set 16, 17, 18, 19. So I'm using the same scenario that I've used in question set 16. Let's see the first question. Find the number of students who participated in the first term science subject. As you can see, they asked for a number, so we have to use count keyword and students. That means we have to use that marks table, students mark table, and the exam term table and the subject table. So we need 3 tables and our new keyword count. So this is our first query. Let's execute and see. So we got answer as 8. We can even rename our column name by using this as keyword and our name, the name we want, any name. Let's execute and see whether it works. So we rename our column. So let's see the second question. What is the minimum score obtained by the first term students? Once again, we need a select query and we need tables this time, and we have to use the min keyword to find the minimum score. So let's type our second insert query, the second select query. So this would be our second select query. Let's see what we get. So that's the minimum mark. So the third question, find the number of students who participated in the second term mathematics subject. So in this case, we have to use a count keyword once again, as we have to find the number of students. So number of students who participated for the second term test for the mathematics subject. So we need 1, 2, and 3 tables this time. So this is our third check query. Let's see what happens when we execute it. So as you can see, we received the answer as 8. There are a number of the number of students who did maths for the second term is 8. So let's see the fourth question: which subject got the lowest mark in the first term? So this would be our fourth select query. Let's execute and see. So we received the answer as science. Let's see whether it's correct. First term is represented by 1. No, first term plus marks 23, 10, 10.5 is the lowest mark, and it's for science, so that's the answer, so that's fine. Let's see the fifth question. Find the name of the student. Name of the student who got the lowest mark in all of the subjects in the first term. So So we received the output as Rajamantri. Let's see whether it's correct. So since 10.5 is the lowest mark out of all first term marks, we can come to the conclusion that Kasun Rajamantiri is the student we are looking for. So yes. So that would be the end of the discussion of question set 20 of DBMS question sets day 4. And thank you.